message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Cuyahoga County, Lake County, until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Cleveland and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Paynesville, Cleveland Heights, Euclid, Willoughby, East Lake, Mentor, Perry, Madison. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Cuyahoga, and Lake